The most interesting part of that process for me is to watch them go from denial to willingness and surrendering and motivation to continue in their sobriety. So we see the entire progression. So they come in and a lot of times they're still foggy, maybe still withdrawing, maybe still going through some symptoms related to the detox. And so we give them time to acclimate, to relax, to get to adapt to the program. And then once we see that they're ready, that's when we go in and try to get into the core issues and explore trauma or whatever else may have been the underlying issue of why they started using drugs in the first place. So the fascinating thing is to see clients actually begin to open up. They sort of peel like an onion and you get to the core. And once you see that core, you see who the real person is. So for clients like Mary and Chris, we now see more of who Mary and Chris really are, as opposed to just seeing them as people who are struggling with addiction. We now see the real person, and we see that they are motivated and ambitious and that they have goals. And our goal is to help them achieve their personal goals for success.